Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to clear the cache in MI Browser on your phone. This is an important process to help your browser run faster. First, unlock your phone and open the MI Browser. Next, look toward the bottom right side and tap on the profile icon. Then, observe at the top right corner where you will find the settings icon. Tap it to open the full list of options. After that, scroll down until you see the option called Clear Data. Tap on it to proceed. Then, select the option for Cache to ensure only cached files are deleted. Finally, click on the OK button to confirm and complete the process. This will clear all the temporary cache files stored in your MI browser. Clearing the cache does not delete your saved passwords or bookmarks, so your important data will remain safe. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.